Today, we are diving into an exciting developmental project proposed by Ghana's current president, John Dramani Mahama. Known for his commitment to rural development and economic empowerment, Mahama has pledged to establish a cashew processing factory in Amoma, a community in the Kintampo South constituency of the Bono East region. This initiative forms part of his broader Farmer Service Center policy, which aims to revolutionize agriculture, empower farmers, and drive economic growth in Ghana. Stay tuned as we unpack how this pledge, if realized, could transform the cashew industry and improve the livelihoods of farmers in the region. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on impactful policies and initiatives shaping Ghana's future. Let's dive right into it. During an address at Amoma DA School Park, John Dramani Mahama reassured the people of Amoma that his next government would prioritize the development of cashew industry. One of the flagship components of this commitment is the establishment of a cashew processing factory in the region. This factory will provide a local processing facility for cashew farmers, eliminating the need to export raw cashews for processing. By adding value to cashew production locally, the initiative aims to boost the incomes of farmers by offering competitive prices, create jobs for local communities, particularly for the youth and women, reduce post-harvest losses as well by ensuring timely processing of cashew nuts. For a region like Amoma, where cashew farming is a significant source of livelihood, the proposed factory holds the promise of economic transformation for the region. In addition to the factory, Mahama outlined plans to enhance the economic stability of cashew farmers by introducing predetermined prices for cashew at the start of each farming season. This initiative, modeled after the cocoa pricing structure, is designed to provide farmers with clarity and predictability in their earnings. With this pricing mechanism, cashew farmers would plan ahead. Knowing the prices in advance allows farmers to calculate their potential profits and manage their expenses more effectively. This also helps to avoid exploitation, as a predetermined price would protect farmers from price fluctuations and middlemen who often purchase produce at unfair prices. It will also promote fair trade, which ensures that farmers receive a fair share of market value for their hard work. Mahama's Farmer Service Center policy goes beyond cashew pricing. It seeks to provide comprehensive support for farmers, including access to inputs like fertilizers, technical assistance, and mechanization services. Together, these measures aim to modernize agriculture and increase productivity across Ghana. And with the establishment of the cashew processing factory, this will help things run more smoothly, as farmers' yield would immensely be beneficial to they themselves. Cashew farming has become a key cash crop for Ghana, particularly in regions like Bono East, Bono and Ahafo. The industry holds immense potential for driving rural development and generating foreign exchange. Cashews are one of Ghana's top agricultural export commodities, contributing to millions of dollars annually to the economy. The industry provides jobs for thousands of farmers, traders, and laborers across the value chain. The global appetite for cashews is growing, offering Ghana an opportunity to expand its market share. However, challenges such as limited processing capacity, price volatility, and poor infrastructure have hindered the industry's full potential. President John Dramani Mahama's proposed factory in Amoma, along with other measures under the Farmer Service Center policy, could address these challenges and position Ghana as a leading player in the global cashew market. The establishment of a cashew processing factory in Amoma would have far-reaching benefits for the local community. The factory would create direct employment opportunities in processing, packaging, and quality control. Additionally, indirect jobs would emerge in areas like transportation, logistics, and retail. By adding value to raw cashews locally, farmers would earn higher profits compared to selling unprocessed nuts. This would uplift the standard of living for many families in the region. With the factory set to be in place, Amoma could become a hub for cashew-related industries, attracting further investments and diversifying the local economy. The factory would provide much-needed opportunity for young people, reducing rural-urban migration and fostering local talents. Increased economic activity could lead to improved infrastructure, better schools, and enhanced healthcare facilities, contributing to the overall community development. Mahama's vision for the cashew industry goes beyond building a factory. The Farmer Service Center policy aims to provide holistic support for farmers by addressing key challenges in the agricultural value chain. Under the policy, farmers would receive subsidized seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides to improve yield. The policy would promote use of modern farming equipment to reduce manual labor and enhance efficiency. Farmers would be trained in best practices, including post-harvest handling and sustainable farming methods. The policy would also facilitate connections between farmers and buyers, ensuring fair trade and reduce reliance on middlemen. By addressing these areas, the Farmer Service Center policy aimed to create a resilient and thriving agricultural sector that benefits both farmers and the nation as a whole. Mahama's proposal to the annual cashew prices at the beginning of the season draws inspiration from Ghana's successful cocoa industry. Cocoa pricing has long provided stability and predictability for farmers, contributing to the sector's growth. Applying a similar model to the cashew farming could yield comparable benefits. Farmer confidence as predicted prices would encourage more farmers to invest in cashew cultivation. It will also attract investment as a structured pricing system would make the cashew sector more attractive to investors. It will also boost Ghana's global competitiveness. With improved pricing and processing, Ghana could enhance its position as a leading exporter of high-quality cashew. President John Dramani Mahama's promise to establish a cashew processing factory in Amoma was more than just a campaign pledge. It's a vision for transforming Ghana's cashew industry and uplifting rural communities. By addressing challenges such as processing capacity and price instability, this initiative has the potential to unlock the full economic potential of cashew farming in Ghana. Mahama has pledged to establish a cashew processing factory in Amoma, a community in the Kintampo South constituency of the Bono East region. This initiative forms part of his broader Farmer Service Center policy, which aims to revolutionize agriculture, empower farmers, and drive economic growth in Ghana. If realized, the factory would not only boost farmer incomes, but also create jobs, empower youth, and drive economic development in the Bono East region and beyond. Combined with the Farmer Service Center policy, this promise could pave the way for a more sustainable and prosperous agricultural sector. What do you think about Mahama's plan for the cashew industry? Let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends to spread the word about initiatives shaping Ghana's future. Check out this next video on other amazing policies that will boost Ghana's future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Be sure to check this next video out.